Stock name is Nowcree. Check out the chart and the time frame. Here I am using 30 Mintwees time frame for 0.8% target. Check out the price trend, which is showing positive trend. Now check the RSI 14 trend. Is it same trend or not? RSI 14 showing two major hooks above 70 parameters and the direction is negative. Find out the middle point of this two hooks of RSI. Now draw a line including that middle point to find out the RSI crossover point. Now checking the CCI trend on a same way. Finding the trend and putting a line from the bottom to find the same crossover point of CCI line. Check the price of crossover, which is 4511. Now current market price is 4502 area. What will be our target? Generally for 30 Mintwees, we can expect 0.7% to 0.8% return. %, means 31 points, which stand 4,469 area. Now wait. Now see the price, which is on live. Price is 4,469 area. This is called negative RSI divergence and negative CCI divergence trading. Follow the RSI and CCI divergence rules and take your profit. Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more live tricks and updates.